Ever been stuck in a hotel room during a family trip with everyone fighting over the TV? What if I told you that the iPad sitting in your bag could be the perfect portable gaming monitor for your Steam Deck? I set up this game-changing hack on a recent family trip and it completely saved our downtime. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your iPad into the perfect portable monitor for your Steam Deck in just a few minutes. But wait until you see how responsive the gameplay is. Even fast-paced multiplayer games run with practically zero noticeable lag. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm David, and if you're new here, I help gamers and tech enthusiasts make smarter choices with in-depth reviews, hands-on tutorials, and expert tips, so you get the best gear and gaming experience possible. If you're thinking about trying this iPad setup yourself, I've included links to all the gear I've used in the description below. Before we dive into the step-by-step, stick around until the end where I share a crucial tip about game resolution that could make or break your experience. Trust me, you won't want to skip this step if you want crystal clear visuals on your iPad screen. So recently I was on this epic family trip where 3 families, including mine, all shared one beach house, and you can imagine the chaos with just one TV between all of us. The kids wanted cartoons, the adults were fighting over which movie to watch, and the sports fans needed their games. With so many people and just one screen, getting any gaming time on the TV was practically impossible. That's when I pulled out my Steam Deck and iPad and figured out this incredible setup that let us have our own gaming station in the corner while everyone else battled out for the remote. It was such a hit that the other family's kids started taking turns playing multiplayer games with us during our downtime. Let me show you exactly how we made it work. To begin with, we're going to open up the App Store. Hit search and type in Genki Studio. Here you'll find the app with the red icon. Go ahead and install this and open it. Allow access to the camera. A page will pop up with some information, including a list of compatible iPad models. I think the one I'm using is a 3rd gen 12.9 inch. Now that we have the app installed, we can plug everything in. Here I have the Genki ShadowCast 2, which is a HDMI capture card with ultra low latency that has USB-C on one end and HDMI on the other. And I also have the Genki Convert Dock 2, which is a super handy all-in-one charger and portable dock you can use with a Nintendo Switch or a Steam Deck like I'm doing in this video. First, I'm going to connect the USB-C from the dock to the USB-C of the Steam Deck. Next, take the Genki ShadowCast 2 capture card and plug it into the HDMI port of the Convert Dock 2 and connect the USB-C on the capture card to the USB-C of the iPad. Once you have it all connected, straight away you'll notice a Steam Deck displaying on the iPad as if it was a portable monitor. When you buy the Convert Dock, it comes with adapters for different regions to attach, and I'm using the Australian one here. Now you can plug the Convert Dock into the power outlet to keep the Steam Deck powered up. I can't believe how low the latency is with this capture card and dock setup. What's really great about this is you can take some controllers with you and enjoy some local co-op or multiplayer gaming around the larger screen rather than trying to use the inbuilt Steam Deck display. Now that you have it set up, you'll want to check out this next step to make sure you're getting the clearest visuals possible. In particular, you need to check the in-game resolution after you have connected the Steam Deck, as it may drop to a lower resolution like it did here for me. I went into the graphic settings of this game and noticed that it had dropped the resolution right down to 800 by 500 for some reason after connecting it to the iPad, making the game look way more pixelated and blurry. To fix this, I just scrolled down and picked a higher resolution, and that already made a big difference. Just for good measure, I also selected the matching resolution in the Genki Studio app. 1080p 60 would also be fine here. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, please go ahead and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.